Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I decided that I want to give you a quick tour of my, let me turn on this light, of my craft section. And it is just a little corner in my house that I dedicated just for crafts here and there to, do my projects and work on them and just have this little area where everything is at. I don't have to struggle to find it. And it's just part of my kitchen, as you can tell, my dining area. The dining area is a little bit one of the biggest areas here besides the living room, for me to have good light and have enough space. So I decided to use this room as, well, like a mix of working area and dining area. It works great for us. I mean, we're not in the dining area all the time, so that's pretty convenient to have my sewing room here. And I'm gonna start with all the things that I have. I'm going to show you, this is where I sew. I have my sewing machine right here, which is a Singer Simple, and I love this sewing machine. Just works great. Those are projects I'm working on right now that I gotta finish up. Well, obviously the desk. I have a handy light here for whenever it gets really dark in this room. I also have my embroidery and other projects that I want to work here. This fell down. Let me put it back. I have that, and I also have this. This is something that I love, that I even made for me. And I just love the organization, because these hold my bobbins, hold my thread. So I tried to keep it organized by color. It gets hard because I got a couple new ones, this and this, and I didn't have enough room to keep them organized like that. But I mean, it still works. I still have them in display. So whenever I'm working either in the embroidery or the sewing machine, I have them right there. So I don't have to worry about, oh, where did I leave them? I don't like having them hidden. It just works better that way. And here I have like this two little shelves. That's my beauty shelf, makeup, everything I use as I get ready here. I'll show you in a little bit. And I also have scissors, whatever sewing notions here, like the little the lint catcher or whatever, markers for the fabric, all those things, measuring tape. I have my heat and bond, just flowers. I have a lighter there for bows, and I have pens and pencils on this side. I also have my pins on my lamp right here, handy dandy. And I have my calendar there, elastic, just to keep it handy and for me to use every now and then. And I have my multi-connector. So over here I have some of the things that I made, bows that I have available right now. Another light, because when you're sewing you need so much light. And this is the bookshelf. It looks a little disorganized. I still need to keep working on trying to keep it together. I have the camera bag over there with all the stuff that needs for the camera. I got scraps for fabrics, for diapers, POL, and that. These are projects I'm working on as well. And on this one I have felt for my other projects. In this box I have things for like hair bows, the clips for the bows. I have my makeup here. That's where I use my makeup, like the one that I use the most. I'm gonna put some nails. I got nails. I also have a scissor sharpener, glue sticks. This is like brushes. I have this box which is full of snaps and notions. And this second area of the shelf, I have my mirror. Hi. So this is the one that I use to do my makeup, and sometimes I use it as a light as well to record, but mostly it's just to do my makeup. I have my iron, which usually is not here, but I've been using it so much that I might as well just leave it there. Have more thread. I have spray and bond. I have tool back there, and Have these tags that I made for the shop, other sewing notions in here, more clips, things that I'm working on. These are cuts of diaper POL cuts, and this is like my shipping section because I have tape, the envelopes already with the thank yous that Pierito made that one, a box to send the bows. I just need to put it together. I got paper to print out, more scraps of POL. This is like to ship, like tissue paper. I have my patterns is there. And I think I have paint in this one. Let's see, can I lift it without messing it up? Oh, yeah, I got paint in this one. And on here, I have my, well, Avery's tablet. I use this to watch shows or whatnot here, YouTube videos. And on this one, I have character fabrics. I made this box actually. So I have a bunch of fabrics. It's all mixed up right now, but look, it's character fabrics. And I have a bunch of projects that I'm working on at the same time, so it's all stacked up as well. This one, these are just solid fabrics, and I have them all organized that way. And these are these are the liners for the embroidery, so I keep them in hand because I use them a lot. I have, these are zippers and more elastic. I have fabric in here from other projects that I was working on. Just things here for the onesies and all that. I have my ribbon. All the ribbon is in here. I have several layers of ribbon, supplies. And on the bottom, I have all my inventory right here, the diapers that I made. And on this one, this is a box of just scrap fabrics that I have tons and tons of fabrics, and just I keep them in there just in case someday I'll use them, which usually happens once in a while. But yep. Now down here I had just moved the printer, so it's easier for me to print out papers or shipping labels, because I'm gonna be working a lot in this area. So yeah, that's my sewing area. I'm still working on this area and on this one over here, but I wanted to show you how I have everything set up, how it works. I had to move the embroidery because Link kept taking the stick out, and I thought I was gonna mess up the designs, so I just moved it to the other side because this side had the sewing machine and that one the embroidery. But that's the only thing that I've changed so far. So let me know what you think of my working area. I still want to change a couple of things here and there, improve it, and work on it while I'm still working, see what works better for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a sewing area, sewing room, whatever you do your craft, share it with me. I love watching your photos and videos. You can either share it with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, wherever you want. I will gladly go and look at your page and just share with me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, check out my shop. I have new items added. I try to add new items every week, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.